Hi everyone, welcome to DIY with Nadia and welcome to Nadia's Wreath Wednesday. Today I'm using this Deco Mesh roll. This is a 21-inch roll from the Dollar Tree to make the wreath.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh.
So today we are going to be using this beautiful Dollar Tree 21-inch mesh, and it's 5 yards. Like regular rolls at other craft stores are usually 10 yards. So for $1, this is really incredible. Okay, next thing you are going to need is a wreath form, and I was lucky enough to get this neutral one that is going to mesh perfectly, and this is the 14-inch, as I said. And I am going to use these chenille wires. Mine just happened to be a little on the sparkly side. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is put the chenille wires on our form. There are 6 sections in this wreath. So what I'm going to do is one is going to go on the 2 inner rings.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memory.
On the 2 outside rings, we are going to put 2 in each section. So each section is going to have 3 chenille wires. 1 in the middle on the front end and 2 in the back.
I've been hanging marbles in the tree.
Okay, you guys, one more time. Each section of my wreath form has 3 chenille wires. 1 goes in the middle on the inside 2, and then 2 go on the outside. So 3 in each section. Now let's get our mesh. I'm working around a cat over here. I don't know if you see this little tail right here. I'm trying to work around a little kitty over here. Okay, so I'm going to start together. I just grab it in the middle and then just kind of roll up and then roll down. So you have a nice and even poof. And I tried to even it out for the first one. Okay. You can start outside in, inside out. I kind of work my way from inside to out. But what I'm going to do is I like to secure it with a zip tie, especially the first one. So I have it here, but I'm going to also do it with a zip tie. I do this for the first one and the last one, obviously, because there's no point to do otherwise. When I use zip ties for this, I sleep better at night, I have to admit. All right. So we are making 10-inch loops. I take the beginning, and my 10-inch is right here. And I'm just going to grab it where my 10-inch is, and I'm going to poof it in, kind of poof it up. And then I'm going to move on to my next one, which is right here, and give it 2 twists, 2 tight twists.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh.
Okay, I'm starting right here. 10 inches once again, poof up. We're going to move to the next one. Okay, I made a full circle. Look how beautiful it is. Made a full circle, and I'm going to continue making my 10-inch poofs. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to move on straight to the back, and then I'm going to go around the outside, continuing with the same 10-inch poofs.
Everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year.
Last poof, and it's literally 10 inches. So I'm going to try to make as little of a tail as possible. And that's it. So it was enough for the whole wreath to go around. There you go. And especially because it's so short, I will definitely be using my zip tie. And I'm going to zip tie it to the third ring. So it's a little bit on the inside. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Sorry about that. My cat was on top of everything here. Leo. Leo, my little nosy Leo. So now I'm going to go around and just poof everything out. Just make sure everything is good. And just kind of fill it up a little bit before I start putting the ribbon in. For today's Wreath Wednesday, I'm collaborating with my beautiful friend Amber from DIY with Amber. She does gorgeous farmhouse DIYs. I will link her channel down below, along with a video of the wreath that she made for today. So for the ribbon, I decided to use two types of ribbon, and this is going to be this gorgeous buffalo check and also this white one. So what we need to do is we're going to cut these into 12-inch strips. I just like using my ruler, and then you can just go back and forth. I really need to do one of those boards that a lot of DIYers use, but I really just use my ruler and go for it. You're going to need 18 of each ribbon.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.
Okay, I got all my ribbon, and as you see, I am being supervised by Leo over here. Hi, baby. Say hi to everyone on camera. Say hello, my little pretty. I'm surprised, all this light, and he could not be bothered. He's like, yeah, whatever, ma. So the first thing I do is I make all the ducktails for the ribbon. I have things falling on the floor because of this little tail right here. But I'm going to cut everything up, do all my ribbon, and then I will be right back. Okay, I cut all the ribbon up. And by the way, if you do like to fold like I do, make sure you fold with the bright side inside, because when you tie the ribbon, it's going to unfold. So just kind of inside out, or whatever you want to call it, but here's the outside of the ribbon, here's the inside of the ribbon, and I fold it in before I cut it. Okay, grabbing one of each, and I'm just putting them together, and I'm going to tie them on each one of the sections. Just give it a few twists there. And I'm going to do this all the way around. So when I do twist, I then pull them back so they're not sticking up, because I know I'm done with them. So here too, I'm going to try to twist a few times, just pull them back. And then what I like to do in the back is I just twist it in the back and then just kind of go around until it's nice and secure. Okay, I just did these three, and look how clean it is. Clean up here, nice up here, and then I'll open them up and make them all pretty at the end when I'm done with all the ribbons. So I'm just going to go right now all along and put all my ribbon in. Guys, all my ribbon is on, and I'm starting to poof it out, and what I'm doing is just kind of doing a little crisscross with the red ribbon and the white ribbon. I'm just going to go all along and do that to all the sides. Okay, so now I'm just trying to make the ribbon nice, and what I do is I'll put the white ribbon going one way and then the second ribbon going another way, and then just going along and doing the same thing everywhere. I'm going to continue and finish up doing this, and now we need to get started on our centerpiece. I decided to get this peace sign. I'm going to give this little board 2 coats of white chalk paint, and this is from Crafter's Corner from the Dollar Tree. All right, I have my plank, it's nice and dry. The first thing I'm going to do is on whatever the backside is for your plank, grab 2 more chenille wires, fold them in half, give yourself, I kind of just do the 2-finger thing, and that way, like, I just make it flat. And then I'm going to put it on the side, hot glue it in place. Then I'm going to grab my peace sign and just put it in the middle. And I'm lightly just putting it on top, flipping it. And I'm just going to use the first 2 to secure it on one side. Don't do it too tight, because sometimes I tend to do it a little too tight and pull it back. You can always pull it tighter is what I'm saying. And then here's the other side. All right, you guys, I think that's it. I think it looks pretty. I'm just straightening out all the ribbons at this point, and I'm going to hang it up on my front door. I hope you guys enjoyed my Wreath Wednesday. Yeah, you guys seeing this? If you love Wreath Wednesdays, do let me know down below so I can continue making these, because I have been enjoying these Wreath Wednesdays. Don't forget to go to DIY with Amber and check out what wreath she has made. I'm sure it's gorgeous because I know her. She is an amazing DIYer. But if you are new to my channel and you love Dollar Tree DIYs, wreath making, trash to treasure, this may be the channel for you. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. With that being said, I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Oh, Leo, excuse me. Yeah, we have a little troublemaker in our hands.